I'm going to start with just how to get the lights basically up and running for the default lights and the lines on the side. So we turn the system on here. Takes about 45 seconds to boot up. And the issue is sometimes it will launch on different screens. So I'm going to start on our basic displays options that we have here. It may start on something else. You can always click in this upper left-hand corner on the one button to get back to this page if it has something else that doesn't look familiar. So when we are here, because this is kind of our default page, what we want to do in order to get our options is we're going to go into this Magic Sheet tab. There's 3 tabs saved. And I have this default tab set up and saved in a program called, and you notice here, Presentation Lights Default from Mr. K. All right, if something else is loaded, okay, let's say that this is a tab, this is where our tabs are. So I'm just going to close this for a second. And let's say it's not there. What you need to do is go down to this file on the bottom. This may be collapsed. If it's collapsed, you would have to open up this arrow here. Okay. We want to go to where it says Browser File Open. Click on the Open button. And we're going to go to the different shows files that are saved. Okay, there's Cabaret. There's all different ones. Those might change. But in the default folder, okay, I'm going to open that up. And in here I have a folder called Basic Default. And then here's the presentation. So I can load that, and it's going to ask me, do I want to really open the file? I click OK. And then it's going to build the show, and it opens up. So that still doesn't show me this. Okay, so now if I click on the plus button, it will take me back to my home screen. So I go to my Magic Sheet tab, okay, and it gives me the choice, and this is one of the tabs that are saved here. Okay, it has the color buttons, and if you notice, it has some default buttons. These buttons are theoretically supposed to work. They don't always work, but I can have all the house lights come on, and we'll try it and see if it works. And I hit 100%. And everything did work for the house lights. If I hit 0%, let's see if it works. 0 will zero out some of the lights, but not all of them. So that's a little bit strange why it would do some, but not all. So how do I do all if the 0 doesn't work? Here's where we have on our master board, we have 2 wheels. We want to use the right wheel and this rolling it down, and you notice in the background, and rolling it up. Is a master override, and that will fix any of the program. Later on, we're going to redo this, and we'll have that, but just for getting everything up and running. So let's say I'm going to turn all the house lights off, and I only want some of them. So we can do the wall up, okay, the wall down, and the lines, okay. So now I come back over here, and I roll them up, and if you notice in the background, okay, the lines are the green, the wall up are the lights on top, and the wall down are the hallway lights on the bottom. So if I want to change the line color, I'm going to deselect wall up and deselect wall down. I'm just going to grab lines, and I'll show you in the background. And I can just do my color picker here. They're green. Let's say I want to set them to gold. I go to gold, and there they are. Okay. So these are some of the basics for this. If I want to do other colors, this is a little bit more advanced, but let me go back to my home page here. I just click on a blank one. Okay, I'm going to click here, and I can go to my color picker tab, and this will let me manually play with the color lights. So that's just another tab that's open. You see, this is the tab on the bottom called color picker. Okay, if I go to open tab here, that gets me back to the home screen. And once again, color picker tab lets me do the colors. Magic Sheet tab lets me open up the sheet where I have my buttons that we programmed in order to do some of these different lights. There's a few of the other default lights on here. It's enough to get us started and hopefully set up for your presentation independently. Let me know if there's any issues or something doesn't work. Thanks for joining me.